Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for education and purpose. Make sure to do a research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting with the commodities market update. The overnight soybean oil March month contract rose 0.58 to close higher at 45.98. The Darling active forward contracts rose 124 points to close higher at 8916 on the Friday night sessions, while in Malaysia's crude palm oil futures ended higher on Friday, marking their third consecutive week of the gain, driven by the weaker ringgit, expected Ramadan demand, and seasonal production drops. FCPO contract April month contracts rose 101 points to close higher at 4504. The FCPO active palm oil contracts has broken above the resistance lines of the downward channels. Previously, the downward channel spotted over here, and here's the support range. Previously, here is the resistance range for 15220 range, and now serve as a major support level. And after the price broke out from here, and you recently see the price moving up towards the key resistance area at 4545 to 4550 over here and see some pullback. But in the short term time frame, we're likely to see some technical corrections with the price potentially retreating to the areas of 4450 to 4460 and likely provide buying opportunities as the broader trends suggested the upward to be continues coming down here and coming up again to the 4550. If breaking this line, then we might see further highs towards 4600. Yeah, so there's likely some technical correction to coming in for today's sessions and likely to be light trading um, session as tomorrow is a holiday for Malaysian markets, and to stay alert to the potential sentiment change. So our recommendations for the market CPO, long position may be open above 4525 with the target to set at 4548 to 4575 and the stop loss to set at 4505. Alternatively, short positions may be open below 4525 with the target to set at 4502 to 4480 and the stop loss at 4545. Right, so next we shifting our focus to the index market. Okay, updates from the US market. The Dow Jones Index dropped 444 points to close lower at 44303, and all three major US stock indexes ended lower on Friday following the President Donald Trump's announcement of plan to impose reciprocal tariff on numerous countries next week, meaning within this week there's likely some announcement from the US government. While Trump did not specify the targeted country, he indicates it will be broad initiative aimed at addressing US budget issue. The decline was further pressured by the weak job data and softer consumer sentiment. FBMKLCI on last Friday continued its rally for the fourth consecutive sessions on Friday, driven by the broader optimism and positive performance in global markets. FKLI February month's contracts rose 3 points to close higher at 1586.5. The FKI active month contracts on daily charts has reached the key resistance range is around 1585 to 1586. So if you are referring to daily charts, the index trying to break above the top of the sideways consolidations, and here's the range. If not able to stand firmly, uh, this is the likely um, can be served as a double top and resisted over this um, area. So the support is spotted at 1582 to 83. If you're referring to the hourly time frames, there's a minor upwards channels Support over here, if likely to support over here, we might see there's buying interest over this area. However, if fail to support, we might see the further profit taking, likely towards 1577 to 76 over here. But we still remains our view that in the short term, there's a buy on retracements um, in the index market. Yeah. So for the resistance, spotted at 1586 to x7. If breaking here, then we might see further highs to complete this minus upwards channels, and likely towards the crucials resistance at 1595 to 1600 range. Just beware of any sentiment change. And here's our view for the morning session. As we wraps up, the analysts keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.